What's going on, guys? So this is early October. I'm fishing the North Shore of Long Island. It's in the early AM. We've got a little bit of a storm coming through, but there should be some good fishing on the top of the incoming. Let's get to it. There we go. That's a fish. And this is a different outing where I tried to chunk for some striped bass on the North Shore.
Look at this. This is a horseshoe crab graveyard. Oh my gosh. Look at them all. It's everywhere. Dead horseshoe crabs everywhere. It just keeps going. Babies too. I wonder what happened. There we go.
This here is a blackfish that took an Asian crab off a bottom sweeper jig, but the season doesn't open until the 11th, and this is a short anyway.
Come on, I got you. Come on in. Oh, bluefish. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. I hate throwing soft plastics at bluefish because it's such a waste of money, but sometimes that's all they want.
And here I just snagged a bunker to use for bait later this night.
Nice bunker.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please remember to like and subscribe and ring that bell for notifications on future content. I'll put links to all the gear I'm using in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video.